Just come to share with you 3 more kits that I've put together. I didn't think I was going to do any more, but I went out today and picked up some books and things, and anyway I've added this to the kits. These kits here, I've actually cut some cardstock for a cover, and that's the extra piece which I sometimes would actually put inside there as a pocket. I've also gave some white cardstock if you wanted to sew it on. So this actually measures 8 1/4 by 6 inches, and I've scored it in the middle. Hope you can see that. Scored it in the middle and then scored either side of the centre. That's how I normally do mine. I mean, if you didn't want to use this as your cover, then you could do some punching, get some shapes or whatever, but I just thought I would throw that in as a cover. So anyway, that's that. So here I've printed off my vintage ephemera kit. So there's 13 pieces here. If you want to buy this individually, it is in my shop as a digital download. So we've got these little receipts here, and then we have this one, and these have been scanned and enhanced for good quality printing. So there's 3 of them. Then there is this one, and that one there, this one, and then these 3. So that is them. I'm going to set that to one side. There is 2 of this. It's like it's a thin brown paper. I'm not sure what it was used for, but I've got a stack of it, so I've popped them in. I've used these in my journals as well. So there's 2 of them. I have stamped some coffee dyed tags and then stenciled them, and I've put some reinforcers on, and then I've added some string to them. So there's 6 of them. There is 2 of these long doilies, and they're like an off-white colour. So there's 2 of them. There is it's supposed to be 4, but there's 5 here. I'm not very good at counting doilies. There's 5 of them. There should be 4 of these. Oh, there could be 5. No, there is 5. Oh, maybe it's just me. There's 5. There's 5 of them. I thought I'd done 4, but hey ho. And there's 4, 5 of these. There's 5 of these. I don't know why I thought 4, but anyway. There is paper bag. There is 2 of these notebook pages. They're nice coffee dyed or tea dyed. There is 5. Yeah, I don't know why I'm thinking 4. I think I've put 5 of certain things together. There's 5 index cards. There is 2 of these coin envelopes, and then there's 2 of these coin envelopes. So they're just a little bit different in colour and in size. There is 2 of these little paper bags. They're lovely coffee dyed as well. There is 10 shipping tags. So I got myself a nice bargain of these. So I've used these in the kit as well. So there's 10 of them on strings. They could be coffee or tea dyed or left as they are. There is 3 bridge scorecards. There is 5 window envelopes. So these are good to actually put in your journals as a page, but also using them as pockets or trimming them off and like long pockets. Or what I do is, well, obviously I glue these together and I coffee dye them and I fold it up and I glue it down and I stencil and I trim the top off so that you can put you know, a tag or something in there. Or you could fold it, wouldn't be slightly in half because of the window, and you could put it in your journal, take the top off, and you've got a pocket that way as well. So I'll put 5 of them in there so you can play around with them. There is just some swatches of paper. I think that's 4x4. No, it's just slightly shorter than 4x4. It actually says 4x4 on the pad, but hey ho, they can't measure. So there's is that 5? Yep, 5. 5's the number. there is 4 paper bags. Yay, there's 4 paper bags. Tea, coffee. Actually, there's 5. I don't know why there's 4 is in my head for some reason. I think it's because today is the 4th. And I've actually had to sign a few things today and date them, so that's probably why that is. So there's 5 paper bags. You could tea or coffee day. There is, I think there's 4 book pages, or is there? Oh gosh, I've had a funny couple of days of forgetting things. 4 of these kind of vintage book pages. There is 4 of these shorthand pages. I done shorthand at school many moons ago, and I can't remember any of it anymore. I don't even know if it's still used. It probably is somewhere. But yeah, there's 4 pages of them. There is 2 Edith Holdens. Obviously pulled that out from the centre. There we go. So there's them pretty pages. I picked up some books today that were, one was Indoor House Plants and the other one was a great big encyclopedia of flowers, garden flowers, and oh, there's some lovely images. So there's I'm just going to leave it like that. So there's 2 pages there, then there's another 2 pages. So there's that's the houseplant ones, and then this is from the encyclopedia. So it's got all about the leaves on that one. Got some fruit there, and then there is another one. I folded them in half because it's easy to do that for packaging purposes. So there's that. Then there is 2 of the large flower pages that I've been putting in the other kits as well. That's again from a great big encyclopedia. Could kind of cut some of these out. Then there is 4, is there 5? There's 4 of these, just like a cream lined paper, and then there is 10 coffee or tea dyed papers, because they're all kind of mixed up in my big tub of coffee and tea dyed papers. So like I said, there is 3 of these available. I might put another one together tomorrow morning, because I've actually printed out a kit to do a journal. I haven't made a journal in ages, so I want to do that. So that is all you get. If you have any questions, then ask below. Like I said, the kits are, there's 3 available, and these digital printouts are available in my shop if you want to purchase them. They're £2.25. That's UK prices. I'm not sure what that is in dollars. So yeah, any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.